The problem is consider a system consisting of three non-degenerate energy levels with energies 0, epsilon and 2 epsilon. In the limit of infinite temperature T tends to infinity, the probability of finding a particle in the ground state is options are 0, half, 1 by 3 and 1. So this problem is a very simple problem in statistical mechanics. We know that the partition function of the system and also calculate the finding of the particle in the ground state probability. So at first we know that the partition function z equal to a to the power beta 0 plus e to the power beta epsilon and e to the power 2 epsilon, because here the non-degenerate state, so partition function for non-degenerate state equal to e to the power beta ei. Okay, so that is summation over. So here non-degenerate state, so partition function we can written as this term, and the energy, corresponding energy of the state, that is the first is 0 and second epsilon and third is 2 epsilon. So here beta also, so that is the total partition function of the system. But here the problem is the probability finding a particle in the ground state. So probability finding the ground state, so that means the energy tends to 0, that is probability of the ground state. So the probability of the ground state is nothing but e to the power beta 0 divided by total partition function of the system. So e to the power beta 0 plus e to the power beta epsilon plus e to the power beta 2 epsilon. And we know that the beta equal to 1 by kt. K means Boltzmann constant and T is the temperature, but here temperature is infinity, so this condition is applied. So probability of the particle in the ground state equal to e to the power 0, so also 1 by 1 plus e to the power epsilon by kt plus e to the power 2 epsilon by kt. Okay, put the value of the beta equal to 1 by kt. So now the condition apply, t tends to infinity, so 1 by 1 plus e to the power, that means 0 plus e to the power 0, so 1 by, that is 3. Okay, so the correct option is option C. Problem is in a one-dimensional box contains three identical particles in the ground state of the system. Find the ratio of the total energies of these particles if they were spin half fermions to that if they are bosons. So it is very similar problem in the quantum mechanics, or the basic conceptual problem it is in the particle nature. So at first the system is one-dimensional box. Okay, so here the three identical particles. So first case, for spin half particle, we consider the spin half particle because first case is spin half fermions. Okay, first case is spin half fermions. So we know that the energy of the one-dimensional potential box is equal to E1 and equal to pi square h cut square by 2m square, and the first excited state of the energy in the one-dimensional box equal to 4 pi square h cut square by 2m square. So that is nothing but the 4E1. Okay, so for fermions, we know that the fermions in a system, each state is present in only 2. okay, maximum 2. So here the 3 identical particles given. So at first ground level is the fermion is at first 2 fermion is present, and another extra fermion is present in fast excited state. So the fermion case or the spin half fermion's case, the total energy of the system is equal to 2E1 plus 4E1, because two particle present in the ground state and one is the fast excited state. So total energy is equal to 6E1. Clear? But another nature of the particle is bosons. So for second case, these particles are bosons. So bosons particles, we know that the boson particles is present in a single state, always a single state. In ordinary sense, all particles are present in a ground state. ओके, यहाँ पर कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं लगता है, बट फार्मियन के बारे में हम जब स्टडी करते हैं उसमें हमने देखे है जो पार्टिकल का कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, मतलब एक स्टेट में 2 ही पार्टिकल रह सकते हैं मैक्सिमम, हाँ, उसके ज़्यादा कोई पार्टिकल रहेगा तो वो दूसरी स्टेट पे चला जाएगा। बट बोसन में सारे पार्टिकल एक ही स्टेट पे रह सकते हैं, मतलब ग्राउंड स्टेट पे रह सकते हैं। तो ठीक है, तो अभी तो 1D बॉक्स यहाँ पे दिया था, तो इसलिए all 3 bosons are present in a ground state. So the energy of the bosons case in the system is equal to 3E1. The question is the energy ratio for fermions and bosons. So the ratio is equal to 6E1 by 3E1. Okay, so that is equal to 2. Okay, so the correct option of this problem is option C. So the next problem is, consider the matrix A. Matrix is a 4x4 matrix. So here the eigenvalues of the matrix are the principal diagonal element. So 1, -2, -3 and 4. -3 and 4. Okay, so the eigenvalues of the matrix of A are these. But here the determinant of exponential of A, so the eigenvalue of first exponential of A is are equal to e lambda 1, e to the power lambda 2 and e to the power lambda 3 and e to the power lambda 4. ये आइगन वैल्यू का प्रॉपर्टी है। कोई भी मैट्रिक्स ए का आइगन वैल्यू लैम्डा 1, लैम्डा 2, लैम्डा 3 ऐसे होते हैं, तो एक्सपोनेंशियल ए मैट्रिक्स का आइगन वैल्यू e टू द पावर लैम्डा 1, e टू द पावर लैम्डा 2 ऐसे होता है। तो फिर यह पूछा गया है क्या, जो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एक्सपोनेंशियल ऑफ ए। सो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स इक्वल टू ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स ए एज लाइक ए। सो कोई भी मैट्रिक्स का डिटर्मिनेंट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यू होता है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यू होता है। सो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज, बट here the question is determinant of exponential of A. So determinant of exponential of A matrix is equal to the product of eigenvalues. So simply e to the power lambda 1 into e to the power lambda 2, e to the power lambda 3 and e to the power lambda 4. So simply put the value of lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and lambda 4. Here the lambda 1 equal to 1 and lambda 2 equal to -2, lambda 3 equal to -3 and lambda 4 equal to 4. So e to the power 1, e to the power -2, e to the power -3 and e to the power 4. So simply equal to e to the power 0. So equal 1. So the correct option of this problem is option A. Another math physics problem. The 6 faces of a cube are painted violet, blue, red, green, yellow and orange. If the cube is rolled 4 times, what is the probability that the green face appears exactly 3 times? So here using the binomial distribution, so binomial distribution is NCR p to the power r q to the power n minus r. Okay, so here all values are given. So n equal to 4, that is 4 times rolled out in the of the cube, and r equal to 3. So the green face appears exactly 3 times, so r equal to 3, and the p value is, so that here the 6 faces, 6 probability, and the only green probability, green face of the space is the present, and the probability of the green face, so that is the 1 by 6. Okay, only one green, because here the 6 possibility: violet, blue, red, and green, yellow, and orange. Only green, so 1 by 6, that is the p value. And q also, that is the 1 minus p, so 1 minus 1 by 6, so that is 5 by 6. So that is the p value is 1 by 6, and q value is also 5 by 6. And the probability that the green space appears exactly 3 times is equal to n is 4 and c r equal to 3, and the p to the power r, p means 1 by 6 and r is 3, and q means 5 by 6, so n equal to 4 and minus r, so 4 minus 1. So then we calculate this value is also equal to 5 by 3 to 4. Okay, so the correct option of this problem is option C.